Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you just click here on privacy and security here, you just click on it. You come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to location services here, just click on it. So then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to location services, just click in this sign. Like you see this color here show for us, that's mean location services enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.